Hello friends. So now we will see the second part of this custom chart with measure names video. Now we will move to the second part like custom waterfall chart. So for this also we are going to use the same Excel which is shown in the previous video. So to understand it better, first you have to see the first part, this crossed up with two measures side by side that video. So you will get a better understanding of the data, like what I have done with these yellow measures and what is this dummy data, this one and this chart. So then you will get a better idea. Now we will create a custom waterfall chart. So now we all know that we can create a simple waterfall chart like with the using a single measure where we take the running total and do negative and some calculations there. But here we want to show a waterfall chart where we are showing the exact calculation like this. Exact calculations means our gross, there will be a bar showing our gross sales. Then we will have our second bar which will be coming down from this to this value showing this negative value. Then after doing this negation we will get a net sales value. So again our third bar will be coming like this, showing our third bar net sales value. Then again cogs will coming down with this value, this one, and the last one is our profit. So this will be our gross sales, this will be our discount, this is our net sales, cogs, and then at the end we will get our profit. So in a bar format we have to show this, like this will be the bar but it will look like they are getting negated from each other. So how to create that? So for that we have to create a custom field, custom calculation. We will say it like a b b waterfall measures, we will say it like that. So instead of this field we can also use this field also, this one, because at the end we need these values there along with this our points. We need these values, but just to make you understand, I'm copying this formula here and putting it into the this new v waterfall measure. So now instead of that euro sorry dollar field, I'll use this v waterfall measure field. So first we will take this point as our columns, then we will take this as our values. Now we can convert it into the bar chart, and if we rotate this and do the entire view, we will filter these null values, we don't want them. So now this will give us a basic sorry, this will give us a basic bar chart. Here if you can see, this is your discount and this is your cost, so it is already in negative, but we wanted to start this from this value, and this should be start from this value. So how to do that? So for that we will again create a new custom field, its name will be waterfall start point. So in this also we will write a same case statement, but we will not use these things. So now logically when one is there, so one should be start from the gross sales. So we have to give a starting point there as 0. I'll explain it after creating the formula and showing you. Then our second measure will be our discount. So discount should be start from where gross sales is ending. So that's why we will take it as a sum of gross sales. Then it will give us the third value, which will be our net sales. So again net sales should be start from the 0. Then we will put 0 here, and the cogs should be starting from the where net sales ends. So here we will put net sales, and at the end cogs sorry, profit will should be starting from the 0 point. So that's why we will put 0 here. We will just apply it and okay. So now instead of using this waterfall, this that chart, if I use this start point here, so now you can see the start point, it is giving me the starting points only. Sorry. So the first measure, our gross sales will be starting from 0, same as the net sales, and the profit, they are starting from 0. That's why there is no value. The discount is starting from, we have given as a sum of gross sales, so that's why it is giving us a complete gross sales bar, and this is giving us a complete net sales bar. But we don't need the full bar here. We just want this point, the end point of gross sales. So that's why we will change it to Gantt bar. So now see, we we will get we will get that summed up to the only to the final value, not the full bar. So now you have to imagine in your mind that here is also three lines on the zeroth point, and these three measures will be starting from there. These three measures will start from there to the downwards. So that's why we have to put our waterfall measures into the size. Now you can see, sorry, now you can see this the first measure gross sales is going from 0 to full size bar, because this calculation, we waterfall measures calculation giving us the complete value, full value of gross sales, and for each other measures individually. So that's why they are filling up their original complete size, complete values there in the bar size. Now we again we have to replace this 1 2 3 4 5 with the text values. So there is also two things. One is we can directly alias them, like edit and go to the alias. If I write gross sales here, it will give me the gross sales here, but that is not a preferable way to do that. So that's why I just remove. Let me remove the aliases first. Okay. So we will reset the aliases, and if you remember, we have created a this calculation for the previous table, for this table, where we are saying that if one is then type the gross sales, to discount 3 net sales, 4 cogs, and fifth is profit. So instead of this point, we can use this one. Oh, something is changed there. Okay, the order is changed. Okay, so for that we can again put this into the view, but no. Okay. Okay, so in this case you have to manually sort it. Go to the sort option and go to the manual. Then first thing we need to do is gross sales. Then we want the discount. Then we want the net sales, cogs, and profit. Okay, so now it is giving us the correct result. We will hide these unwanted labels here. We also don't want the this name here. So to title as sales. Now we can put the colors. So for the color, you can use this field. It is we waterfall measures field. So basically color will be decided on your measure, but we will edit it, and here we can use red green diverging bar chart, and we can use full range. Center should be at 0. You can reduce the steps also for the perfect red and green only, this way. So now it will show only the green for the gross sales, green for the positive values, and red for the negative values. Again, you can put this same V waterfall measure to the labels, so it will give you the labels here. So this is your waterfall, custom waterfall chart. So basically, this chart explains us the when this is the gross sales. I mean, this is our total sales of the business. Sorry. Then this is the discounted amount, so discount should be minus from the gross sales, then we will get the net sales. And after the net sales there is some cogs means the cost of goods sold. So for selling the products, there some cost is incurred there, so that should be negated from your net sales. Only then we will get our profit. So this is your profit, this is your cogs, net sales, discount and gross sales. In this case I don't prefer to use the tooltip, so that's why I disable it, and we will put it on the dashboard to see how it looks. So this way it looks nice visual to use in the actual business case dashboards, and it is very useful to understand the how we are achieving our profits with this visual, with this custom waterfall chart. Okay, again we will save the dashboard. So as I told you already, now with the latest update of Tableau public, we can save the dashboard to our desktop. But if you use this button, so it will take you to the traditional public login window. So we will not use this. We will go to file, go to the save option, and we have already saved the video in the local, so that's why it is not asking me for the name and location. But generally it asks like this, like any file you save, like that. Okay. So that's all for today. Please like this video if you find it useful, and share and subscribe my channel. And in the comments or on the mail you can ask me for the Tableau questions and any custom charts you like to see, anything with the Tableau related, so I can share my experience with you. Thank you.